Raise your hand if you've been poor. Raise your hand if you've lost a job. Raise your hand if you have gone hungry for days. Raise that hand. I have. There ain't no shame in being poor. No shame in being let go. There ain't no shame in feeding your family. Hi somebody. Hey, hi somebody. Yada yada yada. Welcome to Rebel for a Spell, where it's all about discovering your voice, natural hair, and soul care. What's the name of the series? It is No Shame, Coupon, and the Bridge Work Hustle. Here to serve you. So as you visit this channel and you peruse all the videos we have, let us know what you need to see, because we are here to serve you. Talk about the crisis we're in and the economic hardships and how we can move through to the other side. That's why we're here today. So life is unpredictable, and a lot of that is out of our control. But it still burns, it still hurts, it still affects the way we think about ourselves, the way we feel, the way we can live. If we don't have a meal, if we don't have food, if we don't have a job, how can we eat? Many things happen, and if you have kids, they're also impacted. Because let me tell you, just like you, kids feel stressed, kids feel pained by all these different life experiences. So we have to acknowledge that too. So, our plans are upended. And along the way of all of that, because we've lost our jobs, some of us have lost our jobs or had a pay cut, a significant pay cut. We're like, okay, so who am I now? A mother is supposed to provide for their kids, a father is supposed to provide for their kids, but if I can't have the means, then who am I now? I'm so ashamed that I am not equipped, don't have the means that I used to have to take care of my family. And you know what happens after that? That shame becomes so deeply ingrained in our subconscious and our consciousness that we take it around with us, like the clothes on our back, it's clothed in our bones and in our skin, and we become that shame. Let shame stay in its place, because it should not hold you back. You have so much to offer. What do I have to offer? I've lost my job, I don't have any money, I don't have food to, and it's heartbreaking, it's gut-wrenching. I remember being so hungry one time. I was so hungry that even if you had given me my favorite meal, which is my mom's codfish and saltfish, woof, Lord, codfish and dumpling, I would have refused it. Too much gas was in my stomach. I can talk about it because we've all been there. There is no shame. Speak on it. Free yourself from the cage of shame. Free yourself from the cage of shame. There's nothing to be shameful about if life throws you these things. What do you have? That's what we focus on. Breath? Yes, ma'am. I have breath. 5 senses? I got 6. One of them being intuition. I got a lot already, right there. What about your health? How you feeling? How you doing? Physically, your bones working, your back working, your feet working, your arthritis cool down? All right, right there. That's a lot. How much is that? 3, 4? You got a lot. You don't have a job, but you got a lot. That's what you focus on. Then what else? What else? What else do I have? My family? I got family, I got support. I can ask for a little meal here. I can ask to borrow some money. I can ask for help. You have all these things in front of you. And what else do you have? Tell. You've got a free talent given by your maker, your master, whoever you call, Allah, Buddha, God, Jehovah. You've got talent that he said, she said. There you go. You know what it is. You don't have to be a singer or a dancer. That's a version of talent. But are you a good listener? Are you compassionate? Are you a seamstress? Can you communicate well? Are you patient? All these are skills that are talents according to me. Project management, these are talents, these are skills. And then on top of all that, what else do you have? Tell people. You believe in a higher purpose other than yourself that spurs you forward into your journey, into your purpose. You have a lot to offer. But if you let shame, darlings, be your name, be stuck in a rut, that this pandemic, that life hardships keep throwing our way and testing us and testing us. But the beautiful thing is, every day you wake up and it's a new day. It's a new day for you to try again to move forward. And we will offer the tools to help you try to move forward, to put shame in its place. To put shame in its place, we will offer the tools. So stick around for the series. Go up to the playlist, check out the cards. We have some good biddies in there to lead you through this series. If you like what you see, please comment down below. Let us know in the description box what you'd like to see. If you share these videos on your Facebook page, on your social media page, tell a friend, share with a friend, let them know that there is an avenue of support, a community of support that is here at Rebel for a Spell, where it's what? All about discovering your voice, natural hair and soul care. I believe in you. I believe we will rise together because shame is not your name.
There ain't no shame in being poor, no shame in being let go. There ain't no shame in feeding your family.
Another video is waiting for you. Check it out.